Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by applying filters on the Amazon.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then go to your home page and select category from this all button or all section here, or you can also use the search bar and then just simply select or type in the name of the product that you are looking for, and on the left side column you can see a bunch of options that you can, or filters you can apply. You can select the department. Here you can set the customer reviews, you can set the brands that you are interested in. The price range can be set as well. The makeup format, you can add the shade, the number of items, and the seller too. And so just step on the relevant ones and you will see the results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.